Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make this cool alarm symbol that you see in the thumbnail, and we're going to do it fully in Illustrator and by using the shape builder tool, which is a really useful tool in Illustrator. You're going to hold down where you have the line segment tool, and you're going to select the polar grid tool. Double click on it, and here you have the option settings. You can decide however many dividers you want. I'll go with an 8x8 for this time. I'm going to hold down Shift and Alt or Option, click and drag to make my shape, and keep it into proportions. And there's our shape. We're going to give it a black stroke color just so we can see properly everything that we're doing. We're then going to select, grab the shape builder tool, which is this tool over here, and we're going to start merging some shapes together. And I'm going to go with this up to here. We're going to merge all the center ones together. We're going to skip this and do the same for this other one. And the same goes for the rest of your shape. When you're done, you can hold down the Alt or Option key, click and drag, and we're going to delete all the shapes we don't need. So you can have fun with this and delete all the shapes that we don't need. And there we go. We already have our shape. You can now change color to it. I then brought it into Photoshop and blurred it a little bit and added a gradient map and some noise as I usually do. But this is the basic. Now you can do it with the odd number, like in the exactly how it is in the thumbnail. So we're gonna go with 6 divider instead of 8. And the process is the same. So you're gonna merge some of the shapes, merge the center parts, and delete all the rest. Oops. And there you go. You should play around with the settings to figure out, you can make some really cool shapes and stuff with this tool. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe or comment if you have any tutorial requests. Also go follow me on Instagram. I post daily designs there as well. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.